Cantilevered towers that support and direct the wires lean into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch the walls and cause a short circuit. Looking downriver, midway on the canyon wall, you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is a valve house.
We found them.
There are 2 valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch gate valves.
Sit down,
These
Steve.
valves allow us to discharge
Hold on.
water directly from the lake, bypassing the turbines whenever needed. Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables. Following the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism.
Want to go push around? What do you want to do?
This is an original crane from construction of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cable-weight crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment to the lake to the power line.
That's next for. Get down, Haley, right now.
That's a big no-no.
Looking at these canyon walls,
Hold on, I'll hold.